In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to your website on Mindbody. This is essential for business owners who want to boost their digital presence and make it easier for clients to find them online. By adding your website link, you ensure that it's visible to clients searching for your business on the Mindbody app or its web directory. Let's break this process down into simple steps. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to business.mindbodyonline.com. You'll need to be logged in with either your owner or admin account to access the settings we'll be working with. Once you're logged in, you should see the top menu bar. From here, click on Manager Tools or Settings. The name might vary slightly depending on your account type, but it serves the same function. Once you've accessed the settings, look for the option labeled Business Information. In some cases, this may appear as Business Profile or Business Details. These sections contain all the details about your business that are visible to clients. After you've accessed your business information, scroll down to the area titled Contact Information. This is where you'll find fields relevant to your contact details, including a field labeled Website URL or simply Website. Now, this is the crucial field where we'll be entering your link. Now that you've located the necessary field, you should enter your website's full link. And make sure to start with https:// to ensure that it's a secure and valid URL. For instance, you might enter something like https www.yourfitnessstudio.com. Be sure to double check the link for accuracy to prevent any broken connections or errors that could mislead potential clients. Once you've accurately entered your website address, it's time to save the changes. Look for a button that says Save or Update Information. By doing this, you confirm that the link has been added to your Mindbody business profile. Now let's talk about where your link will appear. With these changes in place, your website link will be displayed on your Mindbody app profile, your web listing on Mindbody's directory, and possibly on client booking pages if you have that option enabled. This visibility is a great way to direct more traffic to your website and facilitate easier bookings for your services. So there you have it, a concise and straightforward way to add your website link to your Mindbody business profile. Be sure to revisit these settings whenever you make updates to ensure that clients are always seeing the most current information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.